In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Axiom Pro to any crypto wallet. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Axiom Pro. You want to go to the top right and you want to select over here where like your wallet icon is, and you want to go ahead and press on this drop down menu like so. You will then see the option over here that does say withdraw, so go ahead and press on that. And then it is going to bring you a screen that looks like this, and basically you are able to go ahead and select between withdrawing Solana or USDC. This choice is completely up to you. Then from here, you need to go ahead and select on how much of the Solana you want to go ahead and withdraw, or USDC, whichever one is better for you. And then once you're over here, you want to go ahead and add the address of the destination wallet. So you want to make sure you enter in a valid Solana wallet. So for this video, I'm going to be using Phantom Wallet, but obviously you could use any other wallet that does support Solana. So let me go ahead and just open up Phantom Wallet right over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter in my password, and I'm going to show you how to actually put your crypto address in this box so you're able to actually receive your funds. All right, so here I am in my Phantom Wallet account. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on receive, and then you want to go ahead and select on Solana, which should be right over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on this copy to clipboard, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste it right over here in the address box. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and confirm how much Solana you actually want to withdraw to your wallet. So once you're done with that, and once you confirmed everything, then you want to go ahead and press on this button that does say withdraw. And within a couple of minutes, you should see that your funds will actually reach your wallet. Now, again, you want to make sure you do this process very carefully. You want to make sure that the crypto address is 1000% correct, because if there's even one character that's off or wrong, then you will lose your crypto forever. So please just make sure that you're doing it correctly and make sure that you're not rushing things. But anyways, guys, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.